what we're going to do is nail the stud to the plate. So what you want to do is try and get your paslode gun on a 90-degree angle. As the nail wants to go straight through, you need to keep it flat. We don't want to go on an angle, it will go into the concrete, and we don't want to come on an up slant either, because the nail could skew and you could hit someone, or you could split the timber. So we're going to hold our stud in between our marks that we've marked for the studs on the plate. We're going to hold it nice and firm. We're going to push in on a good angle, make sure we're in the right spot.